Hello, hello, teens 6. Here we are on class number 57, and we're going to continue working with modals of deduction and speculation. So, in this first activity, I wrote a story for you about a girl who has just come back home after work. And there was some kind of weird situation. Some things are not clear for her. So, first, read the beginning, the introduction. Yes, and pay attention to details because she gives details about what usually happens at home, what happened that particular day. Yes, on that day, things were different. So, what I want you to do is write an explanation, a possible explanation for these situations. For example, you're going to understand better when you read the story after reading, but I'm giving you an example. The first part, here it says, when I parked the car in the driveway, all the lights were off. That is not usual. So what is explanation for this? The electricity must have gone off. Okay? So you need to use modals may, must, can't, may, might, or could. Okay? If you are more sure about something or not. Okay? Then activity number 2, it's a keyword transformation. Remember that you have to use the word at the end of the line. Yes. Pay attention if it says that you are sure or if it is perhaps, because if you are sure, you have two options, must or can't. If you're not sure, the options are may, might, or could. Yes. Remember that I don't know if I mentioned this in the video, but I will most probably mention this in the Zoom meeting. There's no difference between may, might, or could. Okay. So keyword transformation. Then you're going to open your student's book at page 115 because we're going to practice a bit of word formation and this time adverbs. So you're going to open on this page, and at the bottom of the page you will find the word formation adverb exercise. So I wrote a general rule for the formation of adverbs, and the general rule says that you need to add ly to the adjective. Okay, and this also applies to the adjectives ending in l. As usual, you're going to add ly, and if it ends in e, you're going to add ly. But if the adjective ends in le, okay, as in comfortable, yes, you're going to omit the final e and you're going to replace it with y, like comfortable, comfortably. So here you're going to do exercises 2, 3, and 4 from the book. In exercise 3, as you have exceptions, I want you to use the online dictionary. So you can't have mistakes here. It's the dictionary. Type the words in the dictionary and look for the adverb. In exercise 4, you're going to find nouns or verbs at the end of the line, and you have to provide the adverb. Tip that I wrote here. First, form the adjective. From that noun or verb, form the adjective. Think of the adjective. And then the adverb. And I gave you some help in number 7 and 8 because the adverb that you need is with the opposite of full. Which is the opposite of full? And then when you think of the adjective in number 8, think of the negative one and then form the adverb. And finally, on page 123, you're going to do the word formation exercise about a strange journey. Okay, so that's all for today, people. If you have any question, remember to ask them. Bye-bye, people.